Well, today is the day that this Toro Pony rototiller is going home. And let me tell you, it's been fun. I mean that in a little bit of a sarcastic way because when I took this thing on, I didn't know what I was getting into. But let's see, what did I put on here? New belts, new battery, new cooling fan, fix the tires, new filters, yeah, stuff like that. Last thing I did, I had a little leak here on the valve cover. I put some former gasket on here and let it sit all night. What I did was I tightened it down, but not snug, because when you put that stuff on, if you push it down while it's wet, it just scooches it all out the sides. But if you let it harden up, then you've got a rubber gasket so that when you do finish tightening it down, you've got a pretty good seal there. So I'm going to tighten these 4 bolts. I'm going to put the cover back over this exhaust thing. They have a cover there to keep you from burning your hand if you reach down in there. And then I'm going to start it, and I'm going to let it run long enough to make sure it's not still leaking. And then we're going to drive it up on that trailer, and we're going to take it to the fellow that owns it. Yeah, I also put a tank full of non-ethanol gas and some seafoam in the gas tank. I have cleaned the carburetor already, and I have reset the valves on this. So yeah, let's tighten up these bolts and we'll get on with that. And then after I get that done, I can clean up the big mess I have here in my garage and do some other stuff. One of the things you might have recognized or seen or realized about me is that I try never to run out of something to do, and I'm pretty good at continuing to have something to do every day. So it's working out pretty good. All right, let's see if she's going to start. Cold start is a good idea on this because when you've got the air cleaner and breather and everything set up on here, you can't really reach in here to squirt gas, or you don't want to be having to do that. So on this one, when this goes all the way to the right, that's full choke. And let's see what happens. Okay then. See you later, alligator. Bye, honey. Have a good day. And there goes the famous Honey Baby Pete, coolest chick in the neighborhood, driving her sports car to work. Yee-haw! Look at her get them gears like a pro. Oh yeah. She likes shifting gears. She told me so. Whew. All right, so now that I got this thing up on the trailer here, I can start cleaning up the garage. Oh, I need to hook these chains. I don't want to forget that. In case she decides to take a walk on the wild side. I'm gonna redo this trailer at some point. It's got some really small tires on. I think these were 12 inches. Let's see. Yeah, these are 480 by 12. And they're just about slick as a bubble. I greased the bearing on that one, but I'm probably take another look at that a little closer. Looks like the lug nuts have about rusted in place. Lovely, lovely. Yeah. So, first thing to do today is clean the garage up. So let's just do that. This is going to be the kind of work that I know you love to watch. Just watch RP clean his garage for a half hour. Yeah, probably not. So I'll cut the camera off while I get this done, and then we'll come back and see what's happening.